In this video, we will learn how to convert CSV to Excel. So let's start. This is my Excel sheet. Before I start, I show you my CSV file. Okay, this is my CSV data. You can see here the types of document Microsoft Excel, comma separated value file. So now I open the Excel file. Click on the data tab. You get here option the from text or CSV. Just click on that. Select the CSV file. Click on the import. You get here the one dialog box, cells data.csv. You can change the data in equal signs also. Any other option also available, semicolon. You can see here the preview of data in space also you can convert it. I just select first equal sign. Okay. Then click on the load. You can see here the in equal sign the data is converted. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.